Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 24th. The Christmas Truce of World War I, 1914. On December 24, 1914, something extraordinary happened during World War I. Soldiers along the Western Front suddenly stopped fighting. German, British, and French troops placed candles on their trenches and sang Christmas songs. Soon, soldiers from both sides stepped into no man's land. They shared food, exchanged small gifts, and even played friendly games like football. This peaceful moment showed that humanity could exist even in the darkest times. The Christmas truce remains one of the most touching stories of the war. Treaty of Ghent ends the War of 1812. On December 24, 1814, the United States and Great Britain signed the Treaty of Ghent in Belgium. This agreement officially ended the War of 1812 after years of conflict. The treaty returned captured lands to their original owners and restored peace. Because news traveled slowly, fighting continued for several weeks afterward. Although it did not solve every issue, it successfully stopped the war. The treaty marked the beginning of improved relations between the two nations. Independence of Libya, 1951. On December 24, 1951, Libya became an independent nation after years of foreign rule. The country was freed from Italian control and became the Kingdom of Libya under King Idris I. This historic moment ended decades of colonial domination. Libya's independence was recognized by the United Nations. It was part of a wider wave of independence movements after World War II. Libya then began building its government and national identity. Devastating fire at the U.S. Library of Congress, 1851. On December 24, 1851, a devastating fire broke out at the U.S. Library of Congress in Washington, D.C. The fire destroyed about 35,000 books, including many from Thomas Jefferson's collection. These books were a vital part of early American history and knowledge. The loss shocked the nation and highlighted the importance of protecting cultural treasures. After the disaster, major efforts were made to rebuild the library. The fire also led to improved safety measures in libraries. First flight of Britain's Handley Page Victor, 1952. On December 24, 1952, Britain's Handley Page Victor aircraft took its first flight. The jet bomber was designed during the Cold War for the Royal Air Force. Its crescent-shaped wings allowed it to fly higher and faster than many aircraft of its time. The Victor later became part of Britain's nuclear defense system. It was also used for aerial refueling missions. This first flight marked a major achievement in British aviation history. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.